Hey everybody, today we are doing a house tour. Finley's going to be cameraman. Swap it to me.
So let's go downstairs.
First floor to the massive window. Oh.
Yes, that's the window. We're starting downstairs. And then once you come downstairs, you have all these plants and mirror.
There's loads of doors in here made of glass. Here's the kitchen. Here's the dinner table.
It's very messy though, because we just done a dinner table.
Yeah.
And then you explain.
This is the basically.
This is what we watch basically. This is what we do every day. Watch TV. There's
Also,
cities.
please maybe like this video.
You have 5 seconds to like it. 5,
Also subscribe and hit that notification bell.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You should have done that now. So let's get back to it.
Like it if you didn't have time to.
So
If you skip that.
downstairs you have a bathroom there. Would you like to open the bathroom door? Basically that's the bathroom.
Quite big.
Is there any poo in the toilet?
No.
Is there anything in the toilet? Okay, what's in this room? Ba-dum.
Office.
Oh yeah, you have an office. So. And then this is the really messy room. Look, wait, let me hurry up. So basically, guys, this is a playroom. Really messy. You can tell it's messy. Messy, bro.
Also, this broke off of something I don't even know.
Okay, so guys, there's a police car. Right, we need to go upstairs now. Push me to the stairs.
No.
Push me to the stairs.
No, stop being lazy.
Okay, let's go upstairs. You need to go first. So when you get upstairs, go straight
Into my room.
That's where you saw Hello Neighbour.
Yeah.
And then
There's my PlayStation. Look down, and there's my PlayStation, which I was playing on. Then my controller is here,
Nee.
and then my gaming chair is here. If you watched the Hello Neighbour, then you would have saw my gaming chair. But
We don't need to go for everything. There's the wardrobe, there's the beds, there's the blinds.
yeah,
And then this room.
this is
So then you go into this room, and it's where, well, his dad sleeps. Meow. Meow. And then what? Oh no, I didn't. And then once you get into here, go.
the bathroom of that room. Oh, this.
Yeah, guys. So yeah, once you go down here,
It's actually really
but
hard.
where is he? Oh, hello.
Really hard to see people.
And then once you go through here, this is where we've been doing our free marker.
Yeah.
This is where I sleep.
Yeah. Also, this is where I put my shovel, sword,
This
or
is a really bad
pickaxe.
bathroom.
You can use it all of those. This is the bathroom. And hit the bath.
Yeah, we're done. It's my clothes and my pants. Okay, so. And then you have Harley's room. Harley's room.
Okay.
Hey, look at that dude. Look. He's playing Hello Neighbour, and then check out his Instagram. Follow me up. Maze room, like the person who has really bad. Yeah, let's just go. So guys, and then you have a bathroom. Let's see if there's anything in the toilet. I'm just checking every single toilet. There's the pool.
And then that's all the house.
Guys, that's all the house. Hope you enjoyed.
I
And
can't
see
believe
you
how
next
quick it
time.
was, guys.
Yeah.
Because our house is quite big.
Bye. And remember to like this video. I'll give you another 5 minutes. 5 save. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and put the thumbs up.
Bye.
Yay.